Mana boy? So, good evening everyone. Ako day gyapon si Mark Casco. So, atong topic karon is about user defined function methods. User defined function methods or UDFS, and the methods are blocks of codes that can be created and used within a program to perform a specific task. They allow for a code usability and organization, making programs more modular and easier to maintain. Here comes a more detailed breakdown. User-defined functions. Purpose. So, purpose niya, a custom function defined by a user or programmer allowing for the creation of reusable code modules. The scope can be defined as a persistent reusable across multiple sequences or temporary existing only within a single query scope. So, muna the example about user-defined function methods. So, number 1, Python. So, diff grid. So, una, kailangan, siyempre, di ka mawa. Una, mo ang purpose diff. So, diff na, then, so it's a grade. Open to city, close. So, enter. So, mura gyapon na siya parehar gyapon. Dili gid nimo malimtaan dapat ang print. Taas ang mga kuan niya symbol. So, open if print greetings from city. So, mga sample. So, ang kanang sa ubos, pag kuan man na enter, kabalo na garo mo ana, pangalan na ang comment na siya. Anang call the function with a C. So, comment siya. So, proceed ka. Great, open parenthesis as C. So, ang function na niya, for defining the values depending on a programming language or system. For example of by a query or the created user or create function statement in Cubable order defined using function ID paragraph types can be scalar returning a single value. So example, might be used to encapsulate a complex combination that's used in multiple queries. So purpose ano niya, methods are similar to function but are typically defined within a classic and object-oriented programming language. So like Java, ito Java. So Java, siyempre public main. Sabi kabalo mo ng public main, wala na ako under outro. So comment, public main, proceed. So comment, user defined method, public static void. Para gyapon dito, great gyapon. Public static void great. Great string, siyempre string city. Proceed system .out .print in. Siyempre Java, di ka na mawala. Tapos open parenthesis, greetings from city. So proceed ta. Ang difference niya is our general more global is a while of methods are associated with a specific class or object are often used in database context while the methods are typically used in object-oriented programming. So UDFS and the methods allow to the creations of reusable code modules, reducing redundancy of improving code organization. So another example. So another example, the code that define a function or methods, including its name, parameters, so the code it executes. So, more to ang nasabdan. Salamat kayo sa tanan. Yes.